Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode of Automation Empire. What did we do last time? It's been a couple days since I last recorded. I think we got all the step conveyors up. And one thing that I noticed with the step conveyors is that, well, first of all, I don't think we're even producing enough coal? What is it? Or what are we even processing? Yeah, coal into coal ore is what we're trying to process. I don't even think these three are enough to keep all these going. So the question is, what is this? Is this iron? That is iron, right? Yeah, iron ore. So I think what we want to do, because if you notice this research station, these things do not take in research in coal and transfer it to research as fast as I would have thought it does. So we actually have a massive amount of excess to the point where I think maybe one mining rig can take care of 3 research stations. So if anything, I might want to see if I could pump these 2 things of coal over to this facility. I'm not too sure how I want to handle that, though. The only way we'd be able to handle that, we can't handle it in this current configuration, for sure. Because the only way we could handle it is to do something like having, I guess, the track come up here. There'd have to be 2 storage containers. One feeds this one, and then this one also feeds this one, and then they all go out. I did also mention at the end of the last episode, I was potentially gonna look at maybe some guides or general layouts of some efficient ways to set up factories. I didn't want to do that, but one thing I noticed, just from a quick search, is this. If you click on a transfer claw, you can tell it how many crates to skip. So that would solve our problem right now of this one, and probably like these first 3 are absolutely never getting anything to process, because as you can see, it's just taking every crate and throwing them here. The only way these would ever be able to process anything is if all these lines got backed up, which I don't think would ever happen. So I think we need to figure out exactly the ratio of, I guess, crate makers to factories, or to refiners, I should say, is appropriate for like how many crates does each crate maker, how many can it successfully supply refineries? And I honestly don't know the answer, so we might have to do some testing with that. I honestly don't know. Should we be pausing while we're doing this? I guess we're losing out on our 3-month total, right? Our 3-month weight output by having this constantly run not optimized. So maybe we should pause it. Maybe I'll do, since this is just doing iron, and I know I want to make an actual, I want to convert the iron ore into actual iron. Maybe I'll kill this process and I'll try a more optimized factory with these 3 for iron. Yeah, I think we'll do that. So let's unpause this. Let's delete this track. We'll leave this here so that way it can just finish going through the rest of this iron ore. So that way that material's not wasted, at least. So now we'll go over here. We gotta delete all this track. Gotta be careful not to misclick. And then we are waiting for the transfer clause, I believe, which we should be really close to getting that once. Oh, these are full. Here we go. This should do it. All right, how do we get transfer clause? Research. Here we go. Unlock. Oh, CLAWTRAIN. That's what we want. Efficiently transport crates all around your colony using this inverted rail track system of grabber claws. Just like drones, CLAWTRAINs can drop off or pick up crates from unload and load stations. So let's unlock that. So we should have this tab available. Oh boy. CLAWTRAIN track. What does this do? Let's see. Okay, so what's the difference? I guess, oh, we got little turns. And then what is this one? Serves as the track for a single train of claws. Claws which reach the end reverse direction. That looks like the same thing. What? Oh, this is just a longer track. I see, I see. Wait, is it a longer track? Wait. Oh, it's like a, I see. It's to go above like one level. So I wonder, does this? Okay, we're just randomly building right now. Does this go under? It does. Okay, so we can have 2 layers of CLAWTRAINS. Got it. Let's not mess with that just yet. Oh, God. Oh, this is not easy to delete. You gotta click like these exactly. Alright, so let's get... How do we want to do this? Maybe we just isolate... Actually, let's leave this going. We're gonna mess with iron. That's what we'll mess with. So let's build another factory. So we have 3 over here that cannot keep up with 3 crate makers. So maybe we reduce it down to 1? Let's see. Where's this at? So this is empty. Oh, wow. And it processes that quick? So maybe it's only for every 3 mining rigs, it's just 1 crate maker? Let's try it out, I guess. All right. I don't know a good... I still don't know what's a good length. So what is this? This is like 3 squares for that. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We're going to need at least like 15 squares along. So like a 5. Can we do a 5 by 5 again, maybe? Let's do a 5 by 6. Let's do a little longer. And then let's have this instead come over here. We'll have this one rotate down. Okay, get this away. There we go. Then we can rotate this down. And we'll do the same thing of having a minecart go straight through. All right, so let's get a door. Door, door, door. Where's the doors? There's a door. All right, this should work. Okay. So we want to do 1 crate maker. So let's get the storage. Let's transfer everything out. Where's the center? Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is center right here. Oh, there's no exact center. Oh, that sucks. Oh, that sucks. So I need to suck up into there, into there. Oh, I always do that backwards every time. There we go. So let's do 1 crate maker. We could try 2. I don't know if it's enough though, because this cannot keep up with 2. I think this can only power 1. So let's do a crate maker. I'm still trying to learn where everything is. Wait, am I missing it? Here it is. There we go. So we did learn about the step conveyors, or the transfer clause, that we can now program it to skip X amount of crates. How high does this go? Is this like infinite? Can we type it in? Oh, we can't. I'm guessing that, oh, 22. Okay. All right, 22. So let's see. If this is gonna go... Okay, that'll go there. We're gonna need... I guess we just guess, right? And we'll eventually learn what the optimized amount to crates to refineries would be. Let's see. So let's do 4. Let's just do 2 on each side. I don't even know if this is a good layout right here. Okay, so how are we going to work this? I guess initially what we can do is, let me delete this track. So initially we can have 1 go immediately this way. So that will always go this way. So now what we need is 1 of the transfer clause to take every other crate. So skip every crate. Or skip every other crate. So that means 2 will go here, 2 will go here. Every other one. And then how do we do... Oh, these are too close together then. Okay, these are too close together. So either way, we'll need a step conveyor here. And how about it goes this way and down. So right now, this should work out perfectly where every other crate goes there, every other crate goes here. And now we need every other crate to also go here. I guess we could just move this 1 down, right? Oh. Can we do this? Does this fit here? Oh, it does. Ooh. Let's move. Let's move these all one over. I swear, I'm never gonna learn where everything is. Here we go. Like that. And like that. We should be able to do a transfer claw here and there. Oh god, I hope this works. That goes there. That goes there. And let's set. This will also do every other one. Now, will this work? I'll be surprised if this works. So this needs to be a turn. There we go. And down. Oh, we got to delete this one as well. That goes down and into there. Will that work? So this claw should take every other one. And then every other one out of that should go into these. So now that should go there. Oh my god, is this working? Is this working? Now the question is, we need to watch this contents. We want this to basically hover right at the same amount at this point. So this should always stay at around... Maybe we don't have enough crates. Oh, we're backed up. Duh. We are backed up. So if we do the same thing of we do out, 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 and then a bunch of transfer claws? Can't build here. Are you kidding me? Oh no, our factory's not big enough. All right. So I think we got the general idea of how a transfer claw would help us, but now our factory is too... It's both too small and too big right now. It's too wide, but too narrow. I wonder if I can... Here, let's delete all this again. I know I'm just wasting money and resources. How about we put the crate maker over here, like off to a side. We'll have that pump out. Oh. Wait, that just straight up connects? What? No. Or is that just an empty crate? Okay, that's just an empty crate. All right. I saw a crate just spawn there. I thought that connected somehow. All right, crate maker. We'll come out of there. So now we need 4 refineries. How about we do it this way then? So how are we gonna plan this again? 1, 2. Maybe we can just do them all nice and tucked together. And I kind of want to get this going before I connect it all. So let's do... Transfer claw would go there. And then that would take every other one right there. Every other crate there. And then this needs to take... Oh my god, I think this is gonna work. And then this will also take every other crate. And then by default, we need one more. This will also take every other crate. Let's do it like this. I think this will work. So let's see. The first one should go through and straight in. Now this one should go here. And it'll go straight in. Now this one should go here, but then divert to this one. Perfect. Now this should go over. And then it should divert to this third one. Oh my god. Oh my god. We did it. Nice. Alright, so let's do a series of transfer claws like this. And then let's do a step conveyor out. So we'll go this way. Trying to do it wherever there's a good unload. Ooh, can we use... Because we cannot exit the factory. I don't believe we can. I don't think we can use... Oh, come on. It's not lined up. Well, we'll extend it one. I don't think we can have step conveyors exit the factory. Yeah, can't build here. All right. Can the new claw train leave the factory? It cannot. What? How are we supposed to leave a factory? Can we really not leave a factory? Commands the passing claw to attempt drop-offs. Okay. Load and unload station. Height level 1, 2, okay. Height level 2, maybe? Can we go outside this stupid factory? We can't go in it. What? There has to be a way to leave the factory. I cannot believe there's no way to leave the factory with crates. Anywho, let's just get this set up. At least get some refining going for iron. There we go. And then do a bunch of unload stations. And let's get a bunch of doors. These are just for the bots to come. Set this to high. And we need one last step so these can start coming out. Oh, is it too congested? Oh no! Oh, that may not work too well. This may be too congested. Although maybe it'll clear up as it has to start processing. Okay, yeah, it's definitely starting to clear up. So now we need also to specify a truck to be iron, just straight iron, not iron ore. Here we go. And now we can delete these. Don't need that. Get some money back. Now, are robots ever going to come over here? I feel like we don't have enough robots now. Let's build another robot station. A drone bay. Sure, that works. Let's get 4 more drones. Oh, he's coming. How many drones is too much? Do we have too many or not enough? Ooh, ton of research. Oh, what else can we unlock? How much do we have? 168,000. Okay, we're far off from getting anything at this point. Oh no, we can get this almost. Crate gate. Use this device to block a claw train from passing through a given stretch of track until it either picked up or dropped off a specific threshold of crates. Okay, so that's like a limiter in the same way this, we can tell it to skip every other one. It seems like this is the way to tell it to not do a certain thing until it has a certain amount of crates. Oh, we can use a claw train to load trucks eventually. That's so awesome. That is so awesome. Combiner. Combine resources, freight train, oil derrick, remote connector. Cargo rocket. All right, so claw train. What is the point of a claw train if we can't go in between factories? What? I still cannot believe this will not leave a factory. That can't be right. We can pick up. Must be on a claw track. Okay. So that will pick up. Can add, remove. Whoops. That's pretty awesome, though. I like how fluid it looks. So how do we get... Is there anything I'm missing with the factory? Doorway. Can we do it? Oh, we can! We can do a doorway up top. Oh my god. Please tell me this works. This has to work. Why else would they do that? Please, please, please. Tell me. Oh. Yes. Yes. Alright, alright. Let's see. How is this gonna go now? So, can I delete a doorway? I cannot delete a doorway. Can I patch a doorway? Oh boy. Well, I guess we will do... Let's delete... You know what? Let's just extend the unload station. So it looks like 4 refineries to 1 crate maker might... There's not enough. We actually need another crate maker, it looks like. Active crates, 30 out of 30. Maybe that's just it. We're backed up on crates. So let's work through processing crates, or getting them delivered, I should say. So let's extend this so it's even. Now let's do a claw train. About to here, come out, turn. Actually, let's have it go this way. There we go. And then we'll have it go this way and then up, I think. Perfect. And then we will build, I guess, an unload station here. I really need to spend just like 10 minutes learning where all this stuff is. So we need a load station. Drones can be set to drop off crates here. Drones can be set to pick up crates here. So if I have to drop this off to a load station, how do I get it then to an unload station? Maybe it's... Will this transfer? Oh, step conveyors have to be built inside. Drop off crates here. Well, now I'm just confused. Because say I do unload station here. Let's just do an unload station there. We need track above it. Oh, wow. We built that almost perfectly. So let's get this track. And we will do a pickup point. Right. Oh, wrong factory. Pickup point right there. Let's add a bunch of claws. Yeah, look at them go. And now if I do an drop off station. All right. So what's the point of that? Because you can't tell them to pick up from this. Oh, can I convert it straight to an unload station? Oh, no, load station. No, wait, unload station, yeah. Wait. Unload station. Drone priority. Oh, it's just off. Oh, okay, this works perfectly. Never mind then. There we go. Just turn this on and we're good. They'll start coming from here now. And then what we do, can we turn this off and we'll... Uh-oh, they're lost. Why are they lost? Wait, what are you guys doing? Uh-oh. Oh, they don't have a truck. That's what it is. Okay, let's change this to be iron. There we go. So this claw track, let's see how it works. I don't think we have enough for it to go all the way. Maybe we turn this and have it just pick up everything along the way. All right, so the first one picks up, second one, third one, fourth one. Perfect. So how's this doing? You know what? This is actually pretty close. It's getting like right to 40, right as it empties. 2, 3, 4. So ideally what we want is this to be 6. Oh, I'm so stupid. This can just keep going. Because it hovers over everything. There you go. Let's add 2 more claws. Should pick up on the way back. There we go. So that should be a full truckload every time it goes through. All right, how's this work? Active crates in the colony, 30 out of 30. Oh, it's because they're still pulling from over here. You know what? I think I want to kill this process as well. I think at this point, we want everything to be refined before we deliver it. How's this going? So that's going really well. This is just straight up coal. So I think we want to add a claw train to this as well. We have way too many. I think I just need to demolish this. We have way too many transfer claws that are not programmed right, and this is definitely not an optimal setup. So we'll probably end up deleting that. How's our research going? Oh, wow, perfect. Perfect timing. Let's wait for this last one real quick. I could get, what is this? 2 max claw trains per track. Do we really need like 20? No, we don't need that many, right? Claw train speed would be nice. Ooh. Doesn't cost terrible amount. So I think the next thing we'd want is a... I don't think we need a crate gate. What else is there? Truck loader. That's probably what we want. We need to deliver coal? How are we not delivering coal? We are delivering coal. What? Oh, we probably need to research coal. Like pump straight up coal and not coal ore into research. Because we've been delivering coal this whole time. Like this is going through. But that's not going to increase. So I think this is the amount we research. We'll have to do some testing with that. How is our efficiency with this? Okay, so it looks like with this, we're not quite supplying enough. So we could probably... I kind of want to redo this. Redo this and definitely redo this. Dang, should we almost start over? I feel like we're almost at the point that we should start over. Like, we learned so much right now. I feel like we're almost at that point to where the knowledge I have was nothing in comparison to, like, the little bit of knowledge I had at the start. Like, I have way more knowledge now that all of this is just so inefficient, and I basically do have to start over with everything. Look at this. I have way too many drones. So I think our next step is going to be to get coal pumping straight into research. So do we build, maybe we'd build a factory down here that takes this coal ore, refines it into coal, and pumps it into research. I think that's what we do next. And right now we determined that 3 mining rigs is too much for 1 crate maker, so it might be fine for 2. So I think what we should do is start demolishing this. And like I said, build another factory, turn this coal ore into straight up coal, and then pump that into research. Because I'm pretty sure this is why this is not progressing. Although we can't even get that until we get this. Oh, we need to do iron. What? So we need to research iron? I'm guessing? All right. Why are some of these highlighted and some of these aren't? Maybe that's or is that just the color? Actually, that may just be the color. It just looks like it's grayed out. All right, we got way too many. Actually, we don't have enough trucks. What? How do we not have enough trucks? Let's see. Coal, ore, coal, iron, iron. Okay, that should work well. So that is not keeping up. We've determined that. This is keeping up a little too well. So definitely are going to need... Because, yeah, we're constantly full. Actually, it is really close. Oh, no, this still has full contents. So, yeah, we are definitely not keeping up. So I think it's going to be, for every 3 mining rigs, is 2 crate makers. And it does look like 1 crate maker can keep up pretty comfortably with 4 refineries. Do any of these get backed up? Let's see. Will this go over right at the time it finishes? So I think this is pretty good. 1 crate maker into 4 refineries seems like a good ratio. It might be a slightly more optimal, maybe 1 to every 3. But 1 to 4 seems like it works out decently well. Let's get rid of this research. Even though there's stuff in there, let's just get rid of this. I know that's a waste. I know. And we probably want to delete this track. And I want to get this more optimized. So I could probably instead do something like this. All right, get away. I'm thinking something more along the lines of... We pump out of here. Oh, is this turn going to be too narrow as well? Actually, it might not be. I might be able to delete this. Perfect. There we go. Extend that so it can reach all 3. Now, I have a feeling this will not be wide enough to handle. Oh, look at that. Can we do 2 S-bends? Maybe we can do 2 quick S-bends. Oh my god, I think it's perfect. I think it's perfect. Wait, what? Wait, what? That's not considered a straight part of track. Are you kidding me? That is totally straight. Ah. Why? Every time. We could go S-bend, S-bend. No, that still won't work. How is that considered not straight at the end of it? Whoops. All right. Actually, deleted that. Let's get rid of all this. We don't need all these. We'll just power this down real quick. Okay, so if that goes this way, you know what? This might be better. But we delete this. And how about we just go straight through? There we go. And then I could probably S-bend around the back. All right, so this should go straight through. Now we need to S-bend it down. I don't think this is gonna work. Oh no, straight track. Yeah, right, it's not straight. Oh, and it's gonna be the same thing on the other side. Let's see, can I turn this just right? Hit. Nope, it just loops back on itself. Can we S-bend it this way? Is that any closer? I don't think it is. Oh, come on, man. I swear, I think the developers purposely stationed them like this just to piss people off. Because why else would they be perfectly like this? Like, oh, straight line, and then, nah, not a straight line. I guess I could just turn this, right? I could just go like this to like that. A little too far. Let's go like that. I guess that's how we'll have to do it. It's not entirely optimized. All right, so this is going to be our coal mining that will then turn into coal into a factory and then try to pump that straight into research. Although, can the research stations take crates? Let's see. Receives any resource as input. How do we get crates into this of iron? Because this is not going up, so I can only assume that it's because we need to be researching with iron after we process it. But the question is, how do we do that? If everything's going to be in crates, how do we take stuff out of crates? Can we take stuff out of crates? Maybe we can't. No, there's got to be a way to take stuff out of crates. Drone bay, research bay, doorway. The only thing I can think of is the transfer tubes, but I don't think transfer tubes work on... I guess we could test real quick. Yeah, it does not work on this. Oh, will it work on this? Here, let's try this real quick. Let's be a real quick test. You know what? That was stupid. Let's do this. Okay, let's see if this pulls from a crate. I doubt it will. I'll be very shocked if it does. All right, come on. A little faster. Just a little faster. I don't think it's gonna work. Oh my god, it does work. Well, color me surprised. All right. So I think we have a game plan for next episode. So next time, I'm going to convert these 3 coal ore mining rigs. We're going to make a factory to process them into coal and pump that straight into research and see if that gets us on our way to the next research unlocks. So that's the plan for next episode, and I will see you all then. Take it easy, everyone.